So here's the engine bay. Everything was completely stripped, and as you see, everything was done. HKS blow-off valve. We got polished head cut, bigger throttle body. What else we got? Painted everything. Even the radiator we polished. We got HID set up. Gotta go with that. Injectors, 550cc injectors. Pretty much it. And let me show you the fuel pressure regulator. It's going in there. Nice gauge. Can't really see it. I'll show you inside, the mess that we have inside. Here we go. This is the stock computer. We rewired it to work with a 300ZX twin turbo computer. They sent us a completely broken one, and my dad just finished taking out the tach. It's right here. Broken tach. It would get stuck at 20 miles an hour, so replaced that. This was the old air filter. Huge, big. Put a 300ZX one now. Big infinity speakers. This was the radio. Custom built that. Put the new one in there. Boost gauge. And that's pretty much it. Under here, we have 8 amplifiers under there. Custom 8 amplifiers. Really need the interior done. Look at the dashboard. Completely cracked. That's just from sitting on the sun for 28 years. That's pretty much it. Yep. Alright, keep you guys posted when we get it running. I have videos every day. So here we go. This is a 1982 280ZX turbo. Just rebuilded the motor. Finished doing the exhaust. Complete stainless steel exhaust yesterday. You can see right there. Stainless steel, custom, everything. All the bends, all the welds. Had to put a flex pipe in. All the way to the back. With a MagnaFlow and exhaust. So I haven't updated in a while. Tried to do it on my iPhone, did not work out so well. So I'm doing it with my camera that I just got. It's February 10th, there's a lot of snow out. Can't go run it. So anyways, couldn't run it anyways. We don't even have the computer. Computer comes in 3 weeks. It's a VEMS from England. They're programming it now as we speak. There should be coming in the next 3 weeks. Have the car running by March. Looks good, looks good. When we bring it down later, I'll show you the whole entire engine that we rebuild. The whole engine is rebuilt. Everything polished. Anything that was able to be polished, polished. Looks amazing. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted. That's pretty much it for now. Like I said, 3 inch exhaust all the way back. That's it for now.